Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Vital, and in this lecture we discuss about the bond angle of H2O and NH3. You know that the bond angle in case of water is 104.5 degree, and the bond angle in case of ammonia it is 107 degree. So the bond angle of H2O is lesser than bond angle in NH3. So this is the discussion topic, why the bond angle in H2O is lesser than the bond angle in NH3. So to find the answer of this question, you have to count the number of lone pair 2 LP and 2 BP. In case of water, 2 lone pairs and 2 bond pairs are present, but in case of ammonia NH3, this is water and this is ammonia. Look at the differences between ammonia and water molecule. Here the lone pair number is 1 and bond pair number 3. So in this comparison, ammonia has 1 lone pair, 3 bond pair, where the in water molecule the number of lone pair and bond pairs are 2 and 2. So the number of lone pair is more in water and number of bond pairs are more in ammonia. And according to VSEPR theory, here we have to apply VSEPR's theory, means valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. We have to apply here VSEPR theory to answer this question. To answer this question, we must have to apply VSEPR theory in this case. According to VSEPR theory, that lone pair repulsion is greater than lone pair bond pair, and this repulsion is greater than bond pair. So this is according to VSEPR theory. VSEPR theory states that the lone pair repulsion is higher than the lone pair bond pair repulsion, and lone pair bond pair repulsion is higher than the bond pair and bond pair repulsion. So in this case, number of lone pair is 2, so 2 lone pair will repel each other. So the bond pair of the two oxygen hydrogen bonds, or the bond pair of H2O, will come closer, more in case of water, more come closer than that in case of ammonia, because here the number of lone pair is lower. Lone pair is 1 and here the lone pair is 2. So due to the more number of lone pair in case of water, here the repulsion between the lone pair and lone pair bond pair, as a result lone pair bond pair repulsion present, lone pair bond pair, as a result these bond pair will come close together, and the bond angle of water becomes 104.5 degree, where in case of ammonia, due to the lesser number of lone pair than water, the bond angle is 107 degree. So this is the reason why in case of ammonia the bond angle is 107 degree, and in case of water the bond angle is 105 degree. So this is the discussion. If you have any question related to this discussion, then you can ask your question in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.